What's going on? I've got a sovereign citizen. Now, as sovereigns go, this one is kind of polite. Still a sovereign. He's still the living man. He has to let everyone know that. He files a motion to dismiss. Judge just laughs it off, pretty much. It's interesting. Anyways, this is a final pretrial. Jury trial is coming up soon. And then, because these two hearings are kind of short, I added a third one when in front of Judge Oakley that happened about a week ago. It was only about a minute long, so I just, you know what? Let's just put it on here. I had nowhere else to put it. So we have two soft sits, Judge Oakley and a new judge. I believe his name is Judge Petri. I think he's in Indiana. Anyways, you guys know what to do. This is Colin. We're cooling. Let's go.
Langston, come to the table, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. So we're here on 2502 CM 512, State v. Isaac Langston. Good morning, sir. Can you please state your name?
Yeah, Isaac William Gregory Langston,
All right.
living man.
Mr. Langston appears here today in person. And state is again present. Just trying to see what's gone on here. So, hey, the last few hearings you've indicated you want to proceed pro se without an attorney. Is that still your intent?
Yes.
Okay, so we've reset this.
I was expecting a jury trial.
Well, there's a jury trial. There's been a jury demand filed. The last time we were in court, let's see, we're set for a bench trial. And he got reset. For a pretrial conference today, right? Just to set a trial. So is it your request they just have this set for a trial?
Yeah, jury trial.
Okay, I see there's been a jury demand filed. Stay, would you anticipate more than a day for this?
No.
At least you had the same answer. So September's chock block full. I'll set this for a jury October 14th. Let's just double check to make sure I'm not double booking here. Nope. So October 14th, that'll start at 8:30 a.m. I'll set a final pretrial for any last minute motions or anything. September 29th at 9.
Okay.
And that will be the motions cut off as well. So any motions suppressed, motions in limine, witness and exhibit lists will need to be filed by September 29th. And then if we're still doing a jury, we'll summon the jury that next day. We'll send out summonses. Okay. That's all.
You'll send out something for a jury the next day after the pretrial.
Yes, we send out we find a random pool of jurors, send out information to notice to them 2 weeks in advance saying you need to come here on that date to be a potential juror.
Yep.
Okay,
Thank you,
that's all for today.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Have a good day. Yeah, you too. Thank you.
All right, that was part one. I told you, short and sweet. He's polite. He only said living man. He didn't say anything else. During this hearing, final pretrial, he goes into a little bit more detail of being a sovereign citizen, but still looking forward to the jury trial here next month. Anyways, let's go.
See, is that it for you, Mr. Roth?
I believe so, Judge.
Okay, it's a good 3 minutes. Oops. So, hold on. See Mr. Langston? Come on up. So we are here on 2502 CM 512, State v. Isaac Langston. Good morning, sir. Can you please state your name?
Yeah, Isaac Langston,
All right,
living man.
All right, Mr. Langston's here today in person. And State's President by Deputy Prosecutors Jeffrey Moore and Tyler Truelock were set for a final pretrial conference. We have a jury set October 14th. So you can see there's a motion to dismiss that was filed Friday, Thursday or Friday. I guess this matter still needs to be set for trial on the 14th.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless it's going to be dismissed.
So let's see, we had previously. So I have reviewed that motion and the memorandum attached. I'm going to deny that motion to dismiss the cause. So what we'll do is we'll keep this set for a jury on October 14th. That'll start at 8:30. So Mr. Langston, we're going to be sending out juror notices to the potential jurors of that trial. So that jury will start at 8:30 on October 14th. Any final motions need to be filed. Motions in limine, motion to suppress, anything will need to be filed with the court by October 7th at 4 p.m. And I think anything else? Mr. Langston, for today?
What is your reasoning for not accepting the motion?
I've reviewed the motion, and outside of misapplied constitutional arguments, I don't see any grounds for dismissal of this case. So I'm going to deny.
Misapplied constitutional arguments. Well put, Judge. That is how every sovereign citizen should fail their motions.
That. Anything else before the trial state?
No, you're not.
Okay, so we'll see everyone back here October 14th. We'll also be sending out proposed instructions to the parties prior to that date. Yep, that's all for today.
You guys have your rest of the day.
You too.
See, he's polite. He's got that going for him. I think the jury trial is going to be fun. Hopefully this judge plays the jury trial. I don't know if he will. I'm new to his courtroom, so I just found the Indiana courts probably about a month ago, so we'll see. Hopefully, I think it'll be good. Anyways, like I said, because that one was short, I threw in another short one for in front of Judge Oakley. He had a soft sit, like I said at the intro, about a week ago. I didn't see him on anyone's channel. It's probably because it was only about a minute and a half long, and the stream actually starts up halfway through the case. So we don't hear the beginning of it, but we hear the end, and that's really all we need to hear. All right, you guys are awesome. I'm just going to let this play out. There's no reason to pause it. There's only about a minute and a half left. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Please hit that thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Hit the subscribe, hype the video, do all that fun stuff. You guys know what to do. That's it. That's all I got. Until next time, bye.
Not common law, it's by statute. That's not jurisdiction. That's the law that you're being charged under is not common law. It's a statute. It's an ordinance from the city of Romulus. Now, if you want to know what that ordinance says, then you can get that ordinance.
I understand what you're trying to tell me, but I'm saying the Constitution, 5th Amendment, not to have a right to expression. I'm just asking questions.
And I'm answering it to the best of my ability.
This all I know is how you say it was criminal. I know criminal as common law, and I know criminal as benevolent.
Okay, well, then your knowledge is not complete. I don't know what to tell you. You don't. You're swimming in a pond. You don't even know the rules. But you've chosen to do that. And I have a right to ignore your questions if I've answered them already, which I've done more than one time. So here's where we're at. This is a pretrial. Do you want to talk to the prosecutor today? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, I do want to.
Okay, then go talk to the prosecutor. And I have a right to ignore your questions. Yes, I'm under oath, but that has nothing to do with my ability to tell you, no, I'm not answering any more questions. Go talk to the prosecutor. That's what a pretrial is for.
And from prosecutors, wait a second.
I don't know if we want to create a file for it. No, that's what I mean.
If you can speak to the prosecutor that knows their side of the meeting, I'm not, I just don't want nobody to be liable. That's all. Okay, let's talk to the prosecutor about that.
We're on.